Assalamu alaikum guys. In this video we'll talk about how to upload files in livewire in simple and easy way. As we can see here, I have this component, livewire component, simple input file, and I binded it with image attribute inside our component here, and I have save method that will handle the file uploading, right? And also I have a simple check for error messages here if I add any validation rules. The first of all, if we need to upload file using livewire, always don't forget to use with file uploads trait, and then we can handle it easily using this image, this attribute, and we can say store, like in normal Laravel way, request file like this, and also we can use store, right? But this way is livewire, and we can select the folder that we want to save our image. For example, I will say images, and it will handle it automatically, super easy. Now if I back and select the image, upload here, and it's uploaded. If I back and check and app images here has been uploaded successfully, this one, right? Let's remove it, upload it again, uploaded, back to our storage, app images, and the same image here. Also you can change the disk as second parameter. If we open file system, we have multiple disks here. By default it's inside app directory, like images folder before. And for example, I want to save it publicly inside public disk, so I will say public disk. Now if I back and refresh, select the image again, upload, as we can see inside public images, and image has been uploaded successfully, right? Let's upload multiple images. I will say images here, and inside our file upload view, I will say images, and it will be multiple to select multiple images. And for images asterisk here, I will say also for each as a loop, and this images as image, and I will take it above and use image directly here, image slash multiple, to make sure that works correctly. If I back and refresh, select multiple images, and if I click upload, uploaded successfully. Back to our storage, images multiple, and 3 images has been uploaded successfully, right? Let's take it back to single case. If you want to show a file temporary, for example, we selected image and we want to show it without or before uploading it, we can make it easily. I will say image here, and we can say image and using temporary URL method. And first we need to check if the user select an image or not. Image. If I back and refresh, select an image here, as we can see image. By the way, this image is temporarily uploaded inside the temp folder. If we open storage app here, we can see temp livewire temp folder, right? And if we remove it again, refresh and select it again, we can see inside livewire temp folder in the storage folder also. If you noticed, after uploading, the image is still existing, so we need to reset it using reset method. This reset, as you can see here, cleared automatically after uploading. So here's quickly how to upload files in livewire in easy way. If you found it useful, support me by clicking on like, share, and subscribe. See you next videos.